As the first light of day breaks through the morning mist, Venice, Florida awakens, cloaked in silence and alive with hidden beauty. Here in this coastal paradise where wetlands meet tropical forest, a rare treasure hides, a native gem of Florida's wild heart. Today we're setting off on foot, through tangled trails and ancient trees, to find it. We're on the hunt for this special thing. Delicate, rare, and incredibly photogenic. But honestly, just being out here surrounded by these beautiful fields, it is a reward on its own.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi everyone, we're here in a hidden gem right here in Venice, and we heard of some whispers that something special is hidden here around these beautiful golden fields. So we're gonna search for it. What do you think?
I think we have to stop with talking now because I'm soaking wet.
It's pretty hot.
And I wanna look for this special thing, you know, to see what it is. So come on, let's do this.
Uh-oh. Rudy, you know what the special thing is?
What is it?
It's a butterfly orchid, and I just found one right there.
Where do you see that? Oh, wow. Here, above us.
Wow, this tree
There.
is over there and everything. That's crazy. This tree has plenty of them, but they're all high up.
High up. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my backpack down, and I'm gonna start looking for a lower one because
Not a bad idea. It's too heavy.
yeah, and we can.
But what I found!
What I found.
Okay, Rudy, no more funny business. We need to find that low plant.
Okay, let's split up. You that direction, I go this direction. All right. Good luck.
Good luck.
Hoo-dee-hoo!
Look at this, we found one. We found a little plant, a butterfly orchid plant with a couple flowers. It looks like it's floating in the air here. It's hanging on to the bark, and it's really a photogenic one. So we're gonna make some pictures here.
First, before I'm gonna start on my picture, I'm gonna clean up this orchid. I use a little brush. It's normally used for lenses, but it is a very soft brush, and I have one especially for those little flowers. So let's clean this, because when you look in your viewfinder with the camera and you have like a macro lens on it, you will be surprised how much dirt you will see on it. And I try to clean as much as possible in real life, that I don't have too much work or too much cleanup in Photoshop. But I think it looks pretty good now. All the rest of debris, nature debris, I will do that in Photoshop. So let's start on that picture now. I'm looking here just for one flower sharp, but I'm looking really for that, for that separation. And I think this is the one, I think. Okay. I'm very happy with this. Yeah. This is my first picture that I took. Nice picture, but one problem, no separation right here. Then I took my second picture, and here I have the separation right there. And this will be my final picture with it. So here it is.
So we are at the end of the day here in this beautiful area of Venice. If you are ever in the neighborhood, make sure to explore the nature, because Venice has so many beautiful hidden gems. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's not only beaches. The beaches are really nice, but if you're here, go in the nature. But this is it. So what do we say, Vele?
See you later, alligators.